Are you tired of receiving unwanted phone calls and texts from certain people or phone numbers? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to block a phone number on your iPhone 14 Pro using the built-in iOS blocking feature. There are multiple ways to block a phone number on your iPhone. You can use the phone, messages, FaceTime, or mail apps. Let's start with the phone app. Launch the phone app by tapping on the phone icon from your home screen or apps library. In the phone app, go to the Recents tab to view your recent calls. Scroll through the list or enter the phone number directly to find the contact you want to block. Once you've found the contact or phone number, tap the information icon next to it. In the Options menu, select Block this caller. A warning prompt will appear. Review the message and tap Block Contact to confirm. Now let's see how to block a phone number using the Messages app. Launch the Messages app by tapping on the Messages icon from your home screen or apps library. Open the conversation or message thread with the contact you want to block. Tap on the contact icon at the top of the conversation. From the menu, tap the info icon located in the upper right corner. Look for the option to Block this caller and tap on it. A pop-up message will appear. Take a moment to read the warning and then tap Block Contact to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully blocked the selected contact or phone number on your iPhone 14 Pro. Now, you won't receive any more unwanted phone calls, messages, or FaceTime requests from that blocked contact. Your iPhone has added the number to the block list in the phone app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. And remember, you're in control of who can reach you on your iPhone 14 Pro.